Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of home page on Messenger. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of home page on Messenger, you should just go to settings. In the first page you can search about apps and you can click on Messenger app. Then you can click on first app and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Messenger. You can uninstall your app and you will uninstall it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you're watching.